Hello everyone, I'm back sooner than what I thought. Okay, I'm back because last night me and hubby went to Walmart to pick up a few items, and I decided to do something that is so bootleg. I weighed myself in Walmart. I took off my shoes, I took off my jacket, I had on a jacket, and I took everything out of my pocket. And I got on the scale. Now, I remind you, I weighed myself November 17th and I was 259. I got on the scale last night, and you guys, I'm at 257. Yay me, 257, guys. I mean, that's 2 pounds down. Like, I'm so excited. Like, 2 pounds. I'm just excited. 2 pounds down. That's 2 pounds down to my goal. Like, I can do it. You can do it. I'm just excited. I'm so excited. I can't express and explain. Just 2 pounds down. I'm actually going to now start recording and documenting everything that I do because I want to be able to see my progress. I know I remember on the 17th when I weighed myself, I was 259, and I know last night I was 257. So instead of just weighing myself from that wide range, I want to catch myself because maybe I was down a little bit more and kind of picked up some weight and didn't know it. And I could have caught myself before I gained some weight and saw myself at 257. So I want to keep track of myself a little bit more. So once I get off the computer, I'm going to do my morning workout, and then I'm going to get myself on the computer and make me my schedule. I'm actually going to make it for the rest of the last days of November, and then I'm going to really make it for the month of December leading off into the New Year's. I'm so excited, you guys. And I also want to show you what I bought from Walmart. Now, I've been having a little knee problem. It's been going on for like a while. And I had to get me a knee brace. Something that I don't want to put too much weight and pressure on my knee. And I'm just going to do what I have to do until I get the weight off. So take care of your bodies. Do what you need to do, so that you won't injure yourself. And if you do injure yourself, make sure you buy the proper gear that you need so that you won't put a strain on your body. So that's all I came to say. I'm so excited again. I lost 2 pounds. Bam. Let's get with it. Be motivated, be encouraged, be you, and be blessed.